Here is a Subaru Impreza. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and get started. Let's get started. Open the passenger side door. That's where the map lights are. That's the dome light, and then there's one light in the cargo area. Open up the hatch, and that's where you'll find the light. Now the only tool you need for this job is a small flathead screwdriver, one that looks like this. You can use a bigger one, but a smaller one's going to do a better job. So now while we're at it, let's just start with the cargo light. You can wrap your screwdriver around in like a napkin or something to prevent scratches, but I'm just going to do it directly so you see exactly where I'm putting the screwdriver in. Now use the screwdriver to pry the light out of the body, and there's just one clip and it's out. There it is. Now to get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb a little bit, but it'll come right out. Now let's take a closer look at the bulb. The bulb replacement size number is 168194 or T10. Again, 168194 or T10. Get the new bulb and just simply push it in and it's locked in place. The side with the electrical connector, the wire, that goes in first like that, and then we just push it in from this other side and it's in place. It's working. That's good. Now for the map light, let's pry the lens out from that one end over there gently, and then from the second side. Now when you're doing from the second side, just keep one finger on the lens so you don't just pop it off and it flies off. Gently pry this other clip off and the lens comes off. There you go. Now to get this bulb out, you have to first twist it to sort of unlock it, and now pull it out straight. There it is. Take a closer look at the bulb. The bulb size is DE3175. Again, DE3175. Get the new bulb, and when you're putting it in, put it in from the side that I'm pointing at. Yeah, first put it in from there, then put it in from the other side, and in place, twist it to lock it, and you're done. Same process for the other bulb. First you have to twist it to unlock it, and then pull it out. Same DE3175 bulb. Same way to put it back in. Get it in place and then twist it to lock it, and you're good. Let's put the lens back in now. That back edge goes in first. Once the lens is in place, just sort of push on the front side to get those front clips in place, and that's it. Now for the dome light, what we're going to do, we're going to use the screwdriver first to just pry the light out, the entire light out of the headliner partially. So just get the screwdriver in place like that, and now use the screwdriver as a lever to pry the entire light out. Once it's out, now we're going to use the screwdriver to just pry the lens out from the light. So pry it out from one side gently, and then move on to the other side, and let's get the other clip off. Again, be gentle with this, and there it is. Now the lens is out, and there are two clips in the back which slide into the slots there, right over there. Now to get the bulb out, same process as the map lights. Just twist the bulb and unlock it, and now get it out. Same bulb, DE3175, DE3175. Get the new bulb, put it in its place like that, and now just twist it to lock it, and you're good. Now let's put the lens back in. Align the lens this way, the way I'm showing here, and then push the lens in like one clip at a time. Now when you do that, you're sort of pushing the lens into the light and the entire light back into the headliner. Yep, that's good. We are done over here. Let's try it out. That is working good. See how easy the whole process was? Hope you found the video useful.